In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a travel agency website in Wix with booking features. We'll be setting up the foundation of a new site, choosing a travel-focused starting point, and then adding the booking tool that helps organize appointments or reservation time slots. This is a great setup if you want your travel agency site to look professional while also giving visitors a clear way to interact with your services. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to Wix.com. Once the homepage loads, look for the Get Started button and click it to launch a new site. This takes you into the Wix setup flow, where the platform helps guide the initial site creation process. If you're new to Wix, this setup wizard is designed to make the early stages easier, so just follow along carefully and don't rush through the prompts. When the baseline configuration setup wizard appears, click into the field where you can describe the type of website you want to build. Type travel agency. This tells Wix what kind of business your site is for, and it helps the platform suggest layouts and styling that fit the travel industry. After entering that, continue through the wizard and select a clean template look. Choosing a clean design is important because it keeps the site polished, easy to navigate, and visually appealing for potential clients. A simple layout also makes your travel packages, destination information, and service details easier to read. Once your site is created and you're inside the editor, the next step is to add the booking functionality. Open your Wix App Market panel from inside the dashboard or editor. This is where Wix provides extra tools and features you can install to expand what your site can do. In the search area or app listings, find Wix Bookings and install it. Adding Wix Bookings helps you structure booking slot frameworks for your travel business. In other words, it gives you the system needed to manage scheduled sessions, consultations, or reservation-style time slots directly through your website. This is especially useful if you want clients to book travel planning appointments or other service-based interactions without having to message you manually every time. After the app is installed, Wix will begin integrating it into your site so you can continue customizing it later within the editor. At this stage, you've successfully created a new Wix travel agency website, selected a suitable visual starting point, and added the core booking tool that supports client scheduling. That's it for this setup process, and you're now ready for the next stage of building out your travel agency site.